8th class student, exercise 10A, profit and loss. Question number is 20. 20 is we find the CP of cycle. Let the CP of a cycle is equal to X rupees. When gets gain is equal to 10% is first condition. Gain is equal to 10% of X is equal to 10 upon 100 into X of change into multiply and percentage remove. 0 divided by 0, 1 upon 10x rupees get the gain. SP of a cycle is equal to SP is CP plus gain. CP is equal to X, gain is equal to 1 upon 10x. Take the LCM. 10x plus x is equal to 11 upon 10x rupees. Get the SP of cycle in first condition. Second condition is when gain is equal to 14%. 14% gain is equal to 14% of x, 14 upon 100 of into divide by 2, 2 7 ja and 50. 7 upon 50x rupees get the gain. Second condition. According to second condition, SP of a cycle is SP CP is equal to X, gain is equal to 7 upon 50 X. Write the upon 1, take the LCM. LCM is 50, 50x plus 7x. After plus is 57 upon 50x. Rupees get the second condition. Both difference according to question. 57 upon 50x minus 11 upon 10x is equal to, both are 260 rupees. Take the LCM. LCM is 10 and 50 is 50. Divide by 57x minus 55x is equal to 260. After minus 2x upon 50 is equal to 260. X is equal to 260 into 50 upon 2. 2 divided by 130. After multiply 6,500 rupees was CP of the cycle. Question number 20 is complete. 21 question is. Sonu bought the wheat in two conditions. To rate 21. Sonu buys first type wheat weight is equal to 40 kg. Rate is equal to rate is equal to 12.50 rupees per kg. CP of wheat is equal to 12.50 into 40 is equal to 500 rupees. First type wheat CP of the 500 rupees. Second is weight is equal to 30 kg. Rate is equal to different rate is equal to 14 rupees per kg. CP of wheat second type is equal to 14 into 30 is equal to 420 rupees. Total CP will is equal to 500 plus 420 is equal to 920 rupees is in salary. Total weight will first type is 40, second type is 30. Total purchase the 70 kg wheat. Sonu want to the both type of the wheat is mixed. After mixed, Sonu want gain is equal to 5%. At whole mixture Cp is equal to 920. Gain is equal to 5% of 920. 5 upon 100 into 920. 0 divided by 0. 5 2 is 10. 2 4 is 8. 46 rupees. Want to profit at to selling the all wheat. SPO 70 kg wheat 920 plus 46 rupees is equal to 966 rupees. Want to say should be selling price of the 70 kg. Rate of 1 kg of SP is equal to 966 upon 70 divided by 7 is 10. 7 1 is 7. 7 3 is 21. 5 7 8 is 138 upon 10 is equal to 13.80 rupees per kg to be sell. This wheat question number 21 is complete. Question number 21 is complete. Question number 22. 22 of the Wasim buys CPO 1 cricket bat is equal to first type is CPO 840 rupees. Second type is CPO 1 cricket bat is equal to 360 rupees. 2 bat by the Wasim 840 rupees and 360 rupees. First bat at gain is equal to 15%. Second bat is loss is equal to 5%. Now we find the both selling price of cricket bat. Gain is equal to 15% of 840. 15 upon 100 into 840. 0 divided by 0. 5 3 जा 15. 5 2 जा 4 and 2. 2 3 जा 6. 1 2. 126 rupees. Get the gain at first cricket bat. SP of 1 cricket bat will 840 rupees of CP. Gain is equal to 126. After 966 rupees is SP of the first type cricket bat. Loss is equal to 5% of second type value is 360. 5 upon 100 into 360. 0 divided by 0. 5 2 जा 10 is 18. He gets the 18 rupees loss. SP of 1 cricket bat will 360 minus 18. 342 rupees of the second type bat. Total SP of bats is equal to 966 plus 342 is equal to 62801,018 rupees. Cricket bat will sell. Total CP was is equal to 840 plus 360. 0 0 12 1,208 rupees. Sell 12 and 13. After total CP will 0 13. 1,200. Get the gain. Gain is equal to 1,308 minus 1,200. After minus 108 rupees, get the gain. Gain percent is equal to gain percent will be 108 into 100 upon 1200, 20 by 20, 12 9 ja 9% will be get in transaction. Thank you.